That's why we go through all man. But this one is not just a green tea because if flash the acid more, you say the acidic is that a little problem. How will let green tea you feel much better? You have really bad from piles if you're not a problem with piles. But why you have to be a toilet? Originally better, how was or when was the last time you had toilet? I don't remember. But we have everything. Yes. Unana use it there. Sometimes Calabar cover gets off digestive system. I read it. So how my green tea before I go down next meal, since I had a coming benefit to the money, but what wrong at the good to get some of I come hard. And then another brown tea, internal green tea brown tea, but it was about 1 of Ramana, but 1 cholesterol, high blood pressure, all these problems is a then the brown tea honor to suppose it clean a gamma and the top of them. My dear, how a home slower, I'm not the fella, free flow, yamat. So the client is another thing and the problem, blood pressure. Normally, we recommend the brown tea, and it works wonders. Motabakutela like him, but no, blood pressure is normal, no need for the pills. And I think because the same pills still, the longer we see, now what the low dose pills, you will like the kidneys. Because body how give too much acid, the kidneys are very overload. Then I said it overloaded, it started malfunction. One day the kidney are failure, then we start with dialysis. Dialysis now flush the kidneys. So that is our profitable. Because that now another problem. Because you flush I think twice a week, if I'm not mistaken. Because you another problem every week I have it. But you don't connect the machine about flushing. Yeah, the rubbish that is inside the kidneys is not nice. So we need to prevent before profitable. Then you left from car, it was about 1 day. From car, you are on the car right. Then you pink tea, you good for what 1 day hole, our water for some million, and then there to sample memory loss, what 1 day problem all about. So also I told open to tell stay away from tea because it all goes. There was about to then then we write it. I don't know, I don't want my flashbacks in the hook. Then we start selling because it all or ever. Last year, Salon Color also pattern, then you discuss stress. So still the brown one, but checker sometimes eat just once per week because money is good. It's not good for what one normal size. Actually recommended for what we do. But still, I'm not change the diet. Because we are no more than we want to your quarter 3 times. Here, we are the chips in the archer, the poloni, who is more kind of every day, man, or what I was away. Stop eating, no, why healthy. I'm talking about you say to let